Yo, what is going on, you guys? Edward here. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm actually showing you 21 different money-making websites that are going to pay you out 100% passive in cryptocurrency. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money today. So let's get started right away with today's money-making method. So the first step in order to start getting some cryptocurrency from this websites are going to be coming over here to Express Crypto. This is where we're going to get paid out in. As you can see, my account balance is already at $2.29 right here, guys. And this is all in Bitcoin. But as you can see, I have different cryptocurrencies in here, guys. So I'm going to show you how you can start making cryptocurrencies with all of these right here. So make sure you keep watching this video. So once you sign up under the link down in the description of this video for Express Crypto, the next step is going to be going to those websites to start earning that cryptocurrency. This is going to be the first website that's going to have most of the actual cryptocurrency that you can use to start making some free money. So if we scroll down right here, guys, and again, I'm going to leave the link to every single last one of these actual cryptocurrencies down in the description of this video, but it's going to be within one link. So you only got to click on one link and it's going to have all of these in there. So you can choose whatever cryptocurrency that you want to use right now to make passive income with and start making that money that's going to be sent out to your Express Crypto wallet. All we got to do is just click right there, guys, and the links are going to be down in the description. So now it's going to ask us for our Express Crypto wallet address. So I'm going to show you how to get that right now. So once you have signed up for Express Crypto, guys, you're going to come over here to a page just like this one, and you're going to see your unique user ID right here, guys. So just click on this where it says copy, and then you're going to go back to the actual website. You're going to open up the Ethereum one, and then you're just going to come right here where it says enter your address. You're just going to copy and paste, and it should look something like this, guys. So the next step in order to get your crypto is coming over here, going to where it says I am not a robot, clicking on that and filling out this information real quick. So let me do that right here, right now. So now we got to click on next, and it's going to pop up another captcha just like this one. What I have seen is this does not work sometimes, so you have to do it at least twice, and the second time does work for me. So I'm just going to click on claim, and it might work, it might not. So it did work on this one, guys. So as you can see, it says next payout, our next payment is 1 Satoshi. So this one's going to pay out every 3 round go. So this is going to pay out every 3 reloads, as you can see right there. So it says, dear user, keep this page open and your balance will automatically increase every 3 reloads. And you can see right here, guys, so our next payment is going to be 1 Satoshi and the next 3 reloads left. So you just got to let this run 24 hours a day so you can start accumulating some cryptocurrency with this, guys. Now it might not seem like a lot, but every second 1 Satoshi does add up eventually, guys. So this is a really interesting way you can start to make money right now. And if you really think about it, this is only one out of the other 20 that I'm about to show you, and you can start making some money with right now. So I'm going to fast forward this real quick so I can show you how this all looks once it starts running at its full speed, and I'm going to show you the next website in a minute, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and stop the video right there of actually signing up for all of them at the moment, so I can actually record the second part and show you how you can start making more money with the other site that I'm about to show you right now. But before I actually show you the other site, guys, I want to show you that this site is actually working. So let me refresh the page real quick and see if this number changes. So right now I'm at 24658 or 24659 BTC right now, guys. So if we come over here, look, 24688 right there, guys. So it is working. The cryptocurrency is going up slowly but surely, but this is a really passive way you can start to make some cryptocurrency right now. So let's go over here down to the bottom of Express Crypto. It says your recent income in the last 24 hours. So as you can see right here, guys, it says join faucet, join faucet, join faucet, join faucet, and it's giving me some money right here. The Doge one is working like a charm. So look, I got 0.0039 Doge, 0.0039 Doge, 0.0039 Doge, 0.0039 Doge. As you can see, it's just accumulating inside of my wallet like crazy. So if you come over here to the Doge section, which is right here, I'm already at 35 Doge, 0.2 Doge. So if I can just keep on refreshing this page, guys, it's just gonna keep on adding up. So as you can see right here, guys, this is going to be the next website. I'm going to leave the link down in the description of this video again, but this one's going to have its own separate URL link. So there's going to be 2 or 3 different URL links down in the description that's going to have all of these links inside of it, guys. So just make sure you go down there, make sure you click on them, and make sure you click on the coins that you want to start to earn some free cryptocurrency with. So now let me show you the process of actually getting one of these started and showing you where I'm going to start to send all of my money, like I showed you in the previous video, and how I'm going to start to show you how I'm going to start to grow my cryptocurrency and growing it to at least like 1 Ethereum or 2 Ethereum, and then from there growing it to like 100, 200, 300 Ethereum, and so on and so forth, guys. But this is not financial advice. This is just me showing you what I'm doing with my cryptocurrency, and I'm just going to show you my progress. I'm just going to show you what I'm doing right now, guys. So now let's just get started. Open up this Doge one and showing you how you can actually start making some cryptocurrency with this website. So once you actually open up the Doge cryptocurrency or whichever coin you choose, you're going to be doing the same exact thing. Going over here to Express Crypto, highlighting this or just copying it right there, guys. Going back to the website, pasting it in right here, guys, and then scroll down just a tiny bit. Click on I am not a robot. Do the traffic lights or whatever it's going to ask you to click on, and then once you finish that, click on next, and it's going to have you put in the same information. So let's just type in the next captcha, and sometimes this does not work the first time, so you have to do at least 2 or 3 times, guys. You can see it's going to be the same thing right here. So you're just going to start to earn some cryptocurrency every 3 refreshes or reloads of this actual website. So just leave these tabs open and you're going to start to accumulate some money. Now this website only has 8 different choices of cryptocurrency. As you can see right here, guys, this is going to be my gold chip fund website right here, and I would highly recommend you guys, if you're wanting to invest any money in any platform, this would be the one. But don't take this information as financial advice. This is just me showing you what I'm doing with my cryptocurrency. So I showed you guys previously a long time ago that I only invested around $50 on this one platform. Now I'm all the way up to $200 right here, guys. So as you can see, I recently just got another dividend of 50 cents, which is not that bad at all, to be honest. And what I'm going to start to do is just keep on reinvesting this money until I reach that 1 Ethereum again, because I recently just withdrew $200 from this website in dividends because I'm making some money, guys. I'm taking out my dividends. I'm leaving my initial investment in there, which was 50 bucks, that grew up to 200, and now my dividends are going to grow even more. And as you can see that this is dropping off, which is 100% fine with me, because we're making money as people sell out. We're going to make money when people buy in. We're going to make money when people sell out. We're going to make money when Ethereum goes up, and we're going to make money whenever the token goes up. So there's 4 different ways you can start to make money with this one website itself, which I'm investing all my money inside, that I'm getting for free from all of these free money making methods, guys. And I'm going to leave all the links down in the description of this video so you can get started making some money right now. Show you something really insane is I have recently just made this Discord channel for all of us to come together as a community and start talking about money making methods and money making applications and everything money, guys. I want to start helping you guys out with the motivation to get started making money as well. So I have its own little channel inside of this Discord so you can start learning and getting motivational quotes and motivational videos right here, and so you can start to change the way you think and eventually possibly be this $1 billion guy right here called or named Dan Pena. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.